It is caused by an imbalance of the hair growth cycle where too many hairs remain in a resting stage. Each hair follicle undergoes an independent growth cycle and originates from the hair matrix cells. The growing phase. Anagen is followed by the regression stage catagen to end at the resting period telogen, where the hair follicle re-enters the anagen phase. Based on organic pea sprout extract and is produced via an environmentally friendly process. Sprouts are the plant material with the highest level of phytonutrients. These are health-promoting compounds that protect the plant from pathogens, extreme UV, and pollutants. The nutrients extracted penetrate into the deepest part of the hair bulb, where the hair matrix embeds the dermal papilla cells. In a novel mechanism, stimulates the dermal papilla cells to produce specific signaling molecules required to successfully initiate the growth of new hair. As a result, those molecules shorten the resting period of the hair and promote the proliferation of hair matrix cells to start a new growing phase. Stimulates hair growth at the root, prolongs the life cycle of hair and fully restores its vitality for denser hair in just 3 months.